this is a Camaro 2011. We end up installing the shock sensor added to the factory alarm. So basically, if somebody walks up and they try to bust out the lug nut locks or leave the car in full brakes, or the car falls in the brakes, or they try to put any impact on those lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. So if they break a window, the alarm will trip and it will fire off. So what we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way he doesn't have to go out and get another alarm and install in the vehicle. Keep everything factory. And then we took it a notch further, and he wanted to have some kind of notification to alert him in the phone in the event that the alarm fires off. And we end up installing the module, so when it does fire off, he'll be able to receive a text message to his phone, which we set up to. He happens to have an iPhone, so we set up the text to come in like a ringtone. That way it wakes him up at night. Let me go ahead and kick the tires real quick. It'll fire off the alarm. Should be able to get the text message in a few seconds. There it is right there. For privacy, we don't show any coordinates, because it does give you a GPS location when the alarm fired off. So for privacy on the video, we don't like to show the coordinates or even the map where the alarm was fired off. But if you're a customer, you're going to get the alarm reported that is firing off, and it will give you a little map. It'll give you the location where it was fired off. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.